Hello guys, this is Savir from allending.com. Today I'm going to provide you a very comprehensive SEO checklist which I have created for your ease. I'm going to provide you a download link right now without wasting your time. I know that your time is very valuable. So if you are an expert SEO or digital agency or site owner, this list is for you because I mentioned almost every SEO point into this checklist. So you can hand over this SEO checklist to your SEO guy along with your website and ask him to check off every single point. If your guy is able to address all of the points I have mentioned into this list, I guarantee you that your on page SEO will highly be search engine optimized. So you can go to you can go to here SEO page creator and scroll down, and there is an SEO page creator, and you can see that there is a resources. Just click on the resources, you will be taken to this page. Click on the SEO checklist, you will come to on this page. So if you are an expert SEO guy, or you know about SEO, so you can skip this step. You can just scroll down. I have mentioned here everything. You can just scroll down and click on that download SEO checklist. It will download a checklist of Word document. I have created it in a Word document and I mentioned every single step. Actually, I created this list because many of my clients were using different SEO checkup tools which were showing just few results, and some of the tools were asking for payment after few checkups. So I created this list. So on this checklist, I have mentioned almost everything which is very necessary to have a website SEO perfect and SEO friendly. So this is, I have categorized it. This is an on-site content, so you can check whether this website is SEO friendly or not. If the content are perfect, it has title, meta, description, URL structure, canonical, broken links. So I have mentioned everything. If that is if your SEO guy is able to done it or do it perfectly, your website will be SEO perfect and on-site SEO optimized. The website speed is really important. The content structure is really important. And website speed, I have given a Google page speed insight. You can check this tool. This is very good tool. Images, how your image should be on your website, whether the image is optimized or not. Make sure the image have all tags. Make sure image name is related to the page. Many people do not give the name of an image perfectly. So they just use a random name of the image like XYZ ABC 123. So that is not an SEO optimized image. So you can use these items to optimize your image. And then the sitemap, you must have to have a sitemap. I have given an HTML sitemap optional. That is optional because your user might find it very flexible to go through your website. So this is also optional, and you should have it, but this is optional. If you don't have it, it will not harm your website. Okay, and that is validate the HTML of the website with W3C. So this HTML of website W3C, I have given a URL here. You can, this is the URL. If you click it, it will take you to the HTML validator, and you can give your the URL of your website, and it will be 100%. It will show you that if your website is 100% okay or not. Here, it will go to validator W3C and give your website address here, and it will show you all the links. Okay, if there are errors, or if there are not errors, it will display every single thing. And after that, I have given the social media. Yes, you can have different social media for your website. I have mentioned Google Plus or Facebook, but if you have multiple social media, you must have to have all these social media. And then email contact form. This is quite important for a form. Whatever type of form you have on your website, these are necessary things. There are many developers who forget, who do not take care of this, but this is very good if you take care of all these items for your form. Like yeah, make sure your form has a correct validation. Make sure your form has a required field. If you have a required field, proper message after uh, uh, fill out the form. Proper message should go to the receiver and also the sender, and also the template should be very good. So this is the URL structure. Make sure secure URL. Make sure that your website goes to the HTTPS. This is many of the hosting provide free HTTPS nowadays, but it depends upon your hosting and also the domain registrar. Checklist for the website design in journal. I have given a journal design idea that how it should be. Um, Wise usage of space, leave enough white space for your content to breathe. It mostly it comes for your mobile app. If you are looking your website on your mobile, so this is what you must have to consider. So if your website is responsive, not responsive, uh, then it is not going to rank very well, especially on mobile. That is the website SEO. There are few points that you can do to analyze your website, how the traffic on your website is coming, how your website is performing. So there are some tools which Google provides you. You must have to have these tools to analyze your website. Google Tag Manager. If you install Google Tag Manager, then you can install Google. You can set up Google Analytics, Sitemap, Webmaster through that Google Tag Manager. I'm going to upload a video how you can add Google Tag Manager on your website, and check out crawl errors or indexing status and robots file submission. These are most important items. Just head over to your guy and they will check it off, and they will complete it. And if they will not complete it, it means your website is not very SEO friendly. So if you guys like this resource, uh, just thumbs up and like my video, and I'm gonna give you some more options here. Thank you very much for watching this video.